slide 14. Now we talked about earlier that labeling and SDS are going to be some of the most important aspects of HAZCOM that we as employees have to deal with. So we're going to look at a GHS, what's required on a GHS label that you might find every day out in your workplace. So these elements are required to be on each GHS label, and they are required to be in this order. Now they can be formatted a little bit differently. We'll take a look at some of the differences later in the slideshow. First thing that's going to be on there is the product identifier. And that's simply nothing more than the name of that chemical. So what is it commonly called? The next thing is going to have a signal word. Basically what this is going to do is draw attention to you how dangerous that particular chemical is. Danger is more of a higher hazard for us than a warning is, but they're going to use one of those two words. Then we go down to our hazard statement. Our hazard statement is going to be down there, and that's going to be common terminology that's going to be determined by the particular type of hazard classification that we talked about in the last slide. The pictograms are going to be basically what they say, in the name, pictures that allow you to glance up at one of these labels and get a good idea of what the hazards are, whether they're physical, health, or environmental, but also get a little more specifics about what each pictogram is and what it's going to look like. And the very last thing you're going to find on that GHS label is going to be the manufacturer's information. So what this is going to require is the name, the address, the phone number of that particular manufacturer.